And today I want to talk about replacing your front doors in Atlanta. Hi, I'm Dan Watkins with All Four Seasons Garage and Entry Doors. And today I want to talk about replacing your front doors in Atlanta. The first thing you want to think about when you replace your front door is, do you want to go from a single door to a double door? That's very popular these days, and it's probably about 85% of what we do. If you've got an older front door and you've got the side lights, maybe the transom up top, we can come in and pull those side lights out, pull the transom out, and put two doors in its space. What that's going to do is give you a really grand look to your home. And we know the first impression to your home is your front door. It does wonders to updating your home and really just giving your guest a great first impression. And when we put those doors in there, because we put the two doors in, it's just going to feel like a much bigger space. Also, if you're moving furniture, you can open both these doors up and get things easily in and out of the door, or in and out through your front door. Now, not everybody wants the double door. Not everybody can put the double doors in without a lot more work. And we do just the basic single doors as well. You know, we can put as many windows or as little windows into your door as you want, but that's really, we're gonna pick some different glasses. We're gonna pick some different finishes. We have fiberglass doors, we have wood doors, we have steel doors. So anyways, when you're thinking about replacing your front doors, I hope this will help you out. But I can tell you what, it's one of the best things to get your money back that you can do for a home improvement in your entire house. You're gonna get about 100% of that value back. And it may seem like you're spending a little more money on that door, but it will be worth it in the long run. Again, I'm Dan Watkins, All Four Seasons Garage and Entry Doors. Give us a call today.